Hey everyone, and welcome back to Grilling and Smoking by Micah. Tonight's cook, I'm doing an Argentinian rolled flank steak. Let's get started. Okay, that's about a medium-high heat. I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in there. To that, I'm going to add a half a cup of chopped onion. This is 2 medium Anaheim peppers chopped. And get these sauteed a bit. Okay, now I'm going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now I'm adding a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of fresh oregano. I wish you guys could smell this, because this is smelling so good. Okay, I'm going to finish this up, get this taken off, and take it in the house. Here I've got a flank steak. It was about 2 pounds, and what I did was I pounded it out so it's about a 1/4 inch thick, and it made it a lot bigger surface area. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to take some ham, just enough to cover the surface. Next up is to take those onions and peppers that we sauteed and spread over it. Now that I've got that on there, I've shredded a half a cup of Fontina cheese. I'm going to spread that evenly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this. I'm going to roll it long ways. There we go. It was a little difficult to get started, but once I got it started, it was okay. Now what I'm going to do is get some twine and tie that off, and then we'll meet you at the grill. We're at the grill now. Hopefully you can see that. It's getting dark on me. What I've done is I've rearranged the grill. What I had was both of the baskets together in the center so we could saute the onions and peppers. What I've done is now separated the baskets to either side, put a drip pan in the middle, put the lid on, adjusted it until it got to about 300 degrees. So what I'm going to do, actually put that right in the middle. I'm going to let that go for about 20 minutes, and I'll be back to check on it. Again, we're going to keep that at 300 degrees. In about 20 minutes, we'll be back to check on it. It's been about 20 minutes. What I'm going to do now is simply take this, roll it over, let that side cook for about 15-20 minutes. We'll come back, roll it a little bit more, and then to finish it up, we'll get over the high heat, get a little grill mark on there. Be back in a few. It's been another 15 minutes. I'm looking for an internal temp of about 150. Looks like I'm up to 143. $146 on that end. And about 150 on that end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this a bit. I'm also going to rotate it. There we go. Just like that. Let that go for about 10 minutes and we'll be back out. Another 10 minutes. That's up to 150. That's up to 150. And that's definitely up to 150. So what I'm going to do, see if I can get some grill marks on there. And then we'll get this taken off inside, sliced up. Okay, there it is. The rolled flank steak, stuffed with sauteed onions and peppers, garlic, some oregano. Got some chimichurri sauce there on the side and some tortillas. Let's give it a try. All right, I'm going to take a little of that tortilla with some of the meat and the filling and some of that chimichurri sauce. Let's give this a try. I want to eat that other piece, but I need to finish the video real quick. It's really good. It was time consuming. It definitely took me longer just to prep everything and get it cooked than I thought it would, but man, is it worth it. Really good flavor, guys. If you're looking for something different, something a little bit fancy, give it a try. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, G+, right here on YouTube. Until next time, we'll see you then.